Okay, guys, today is day 4 of me trading NAS 100, and I was there talking, explaining what I want to see happen in the market for the longest while, but this motherfucker wasn't even recording. So, let me start again. What we're looking for is sell trades, right? We're looking for sell trades. I'm not going to go over why we're looking for sell trades because I already go over that, and right now, I'm not about to explain myself again. Even if y'all didn't hear what I say, I mean, you just have to understand that we're looking for sell trades right now. Okay? What we're seeing right now is we're seeing price going down. Let me move all them lines there so you can have a better view of what we want to see. Basically, what we're looking for price to do is go up, hit that liquidity point up there, hit that liquidity point up there, and reject. So we want to see price go up, hit that liquidity point, pass through it, collect the liquidity, and then basically go down in a downtrend. Keep going down. Right? That's what we waiting for price to what the moral count. That's what we're waiting for price to do. But it doesn't look like price will do that. The reason why we trading at 11 is because at 10 o'clock there was news, consumer index, whatever the fuck news there was. There was news at 10 o'clock, and then on my trading strategy, 30 minutes before news, I have to move out of all trades and not enter trades 30 minutes before news. So, what out of all trades? Well, there was no trade this morning, so yeah. So at 9:30 I couldn't trade. 10 o'clock I couldn't trade because that was news. So 1 hour after news I could have traded, which was 11 o'clock, and that's how price action was looking at 11. 11, that's how price action was looking. We was waiting for price to sweep any highs, any form of highs, sweep highs, like sweep these liquidity points. It could have swept that to go down, but that shit didn't happen. Didn't happen, so we didn't take the trade. That wasn't a liquidity point because right now we're in an all-time high. So we basically waiting for price to sweep that liquidity point, that liquidity point, that liquidity point, that liquidity point, or that liquidity point, so that it could go down in a downtrend, but that shit never happened. As you could see in the 5 minutes, price has yet to sweep any highs. Matter of fact, is going into a liquidity point on the low, which I think it will get a rejection from. Let's see what the fuck price does. Let's see. So price have to sweep either that, or that liquidity. Have to wait and be patient. I mean, it wouldn't make any sense taking a trade right now, to really think of it. 15 minutes before price close on a Friday, guys. That's it for the day. That's it. That's the shortest video. No trades today. Today is a Friday, almost 12 o'clock. We're not seeing anything in price action, although we've seen a little reversal there. So let's call it a day. Let us call it a day. Thank you for watching. Bye. So I didn't thought I would have to come back, but I came back because we just missed a trade there. So what we see is exactly what we wanted. Price go up, sweep that liquidity, create a higher low. When price break that structure with that candle, I try and enter an MT5, but guess what it showed me? The shit was just not entering my order. I asking ChatGPT tell me sometimes that has happened on the 1 minute chart. Sometimes it doesn't have price to execute. The whole point is it never execute my. I missed that trade. I missed that trade. That trade I would have reached. I'd have reached like 1.5%. So that'll be my first take profit. So my first take profit would have be $35 times 1.7. Let's check that. Ah, it's okay. It's okay. Well, half of 75 is 47 actually. So 47 times 1.7. That'll be $62. That would have been 62 fucking dollars. That would, let me see if that would actually get my account. Um, yeah, that'd be $62, guys. So that'll be a nice little percentage on that trade, but unfortunately, TradingView didn't let me enter. Obviously, when I hit take profit one, what do? We put our stops at break even, so that be break even in that trade. So I would not end up losing more, basically, like I was showing you all in the last trade. So I missed the trade today. I missed the fucking trade because of MT5. Let me show you all what it's showing me. We could go in the journal. Uh, seeing these red orders. That's me trying to sell on the trade, but it not allowing me to sell just now. But basically, I was trying to sell on the trade and it not allowing me to sell on the trade. I didn't want it to enter the trade right down there because it fucking up my risk to reward ratio. So I just had to let it be. Yep, that's what happened.